I hope you're fine today. Today we'll study new lessons 3 and 4. Are you ready? Let's start. We said before the meaning of evaporation. When you heat water or boil water, you can see water vapor. Look now.
Good morning, children. Remember we did
Yes, you can see water vapor.
remember how
So, water
evaporates
changes to
from the
water vapor. Look,
and
water
steam
changes to
when it
water
comes
vapor.
out and
It's
into the
called water
water.
vapor.
Okay,
It's
just
called
like that,
evaporation.
and
It's called what?
water.
Evaporation.
Boil. Good morning, children.
So, evaporation, it's a process, okay? When water turns or it changes to water vapor by heating. Understanding? And we talk another definition called condensation. Called what? Condensation. What will happen when we leave the water vapor cool? You can see water on the cover of the container. You can see water on the cover of the container. Look now.
The water is vapor. Can you see
Yes,
the
you
water?
can see water on the cover of the container. So, water vapor changes to water. Water vapor changes to water. So, condensation means, wait, condensation is a process occur when water vapor changes to water by cooling. I will tell you something. My friend Mona is not teacher. It's a meteorologist. Meteorologist means is a scientist who studies the weather. Scientist who studies the weather. So my friend Mona is scientist studies the weather. My friend Mona told me the weather of tomorrow will different from today. The temperature will be 15 degrees Celsius. So 15 degrees Celsius, the weather will be cold. The weather will be cold. If the temperature 15 or less than 15 degrees Celsius, it's cold. But if the temperature more than 15, it's warm. It's what? It's warm. So my friend Mona told me the temperature will be 15 degrees Celsius. The wind speed, the wind like the air, the speed of the air will be 20 kilometers per hour. It's very fast. The precipitation like rain. Remember, precipitation like rain will be heavy. It's a large amount of rain. So, weather tell us the conditions around us in a short time. Conditions, what's the meaning of conditions? Conditions like precipitation like rain. So, conditions like rain, temperature, and the speed of the wind. Again, the conditions like temperature, rain, and the speed of the wind in a short time. Short time like an hour, like day, like week. So we can say today the weather is hot or tomorrow the weather will be hot. Understanding? So the conditions that affect on weather or changes of weather are temperature, precipitation like rain, and the speed of the wind. Look to the next square, the next circle. We can see the word climate. Climate like the weather, but is the weather for a long time. It's the weather for a long time like here. We can see, look here, you can see photo. This is a polar habitat. In the polar habitat, you can see ice. We know 20 years ago, the polar habitat, the climate of the polar habitat, cold. The climate of polar habitat, cold. So climate means the condition we said before, conditions like rain, temperature, wind speed. First, rain. Second, temperature. Third, wind speed. Around us in a long time like years. The condition affect on climate or change of the climate are temperature, precipitation, and the speed of the wind. So, the weather is the conditions around us over a short time, and climate is the condition around us over a long time. And the weather and climate, it changes by temperature, precipitation, speed of the wind. Understanding? So now, can you tell me the climate? What you can see here? You can see a large number of clouds. So the climate is sunny or rainy or cloudy. Yes, the climate is cloudy. Look here. You can see rain. So the climate is sunny, rainy, cloudy, windy, snowy. I can see rain. So the climate is rainy. Excellent. Look to this photo. You can see snow or ice. So the climate is sunny or rainy or cloudy or windy or snowy? Yes, the climate is snowy. So here, look to this photo, you can see sun. So the climate is sunny or rainy? Yes, the climate is sunny. Look here, you can see the leaves fall down. So the climate is rainy or windy or cloudy? Yes, the climate is windy. Excellent. Now, we should write the region or the place that you live. The place that I live is Alexandria. The temperature in Alexandria is about 26 degrees Celsius. The average of precipitation like the rain, it's moderate, not large or not small. The best time to visit, I think, in the summer, because in the summer you can swim on beaches. Now, I want you to calculate the total rain. Total rain means the all rain. So make times. All rain make times. So the total rain equals the amount of the rain in each, the amount of the rain in each hour, day, week, month, or year. The amount of rain in each hour, day, week, month, or year times the number of hours, days, month, or year, So now look, the meteorologist say it will be rain. She says it will rain 7 millimeter an hour. 7 millimeter, it's the amount of the rain in an hour. It's 7 millimeter. For the next 6 hours, how much rain? How much is the total rain? So total rain means all the rain. So make times. So 7 times 6 equals 42 millimeter. Now, in the month of September, the meteorologist says it rains 3 millimeter each day. It's the amount of the rain each day. So, how much? In 5 days, the number of days is 5 days. So, how much did it rain in total? The total rain equals 3 times 5 equals 15 millimeter. Again, the climate scientists recorded that for 10 months, this is the number of months. It rains 4 millimeter each month. This is amount of rain each month. So the total rain equals the amount of the rain each month times the number of months. So 10 times 4 equals 40 millimeter. The meteorologist expects there no be rain. There is to be rain for 6 days. 6 days, it's the number of days. And it rains 20 millimeter each day. 20 millimeter is the amount of rain each day. So the total rain equals the amount of rain each day times the number of days equals 6 times 12 equals 72 millimeter. Understanding? Again, here the meteorologist say it will rain all day. She say it will rain 7 millimeter. It's the amount of rain in an hour. For the next 6 hours, this is the number of hours. So the total rain equals the amount of rain each hour times the number of hours. 7 times 6 equals 42 millimeter. Thank you.